Good morning, children. Let's get back to our work. So, all of you take out EVS textbook in your hand. Okay, and take it in your hand. Open page number 110. Okay, let's start with our lesson number 14, Raju's farm. Okay, now Raju's farm means which crop we were talking about? We were talking about the onion crop. Fine. In the previous video, we have learnt that sowing was done and a small sapling came out. Small means baby plants came out. Yes, but along with the baby plant, some unnecessary plants also comes out. They are called weeds. Okay, it happens naturally. They used to come out. We doesn't sow any kind of seeds, but they come out. So it is very important to remove the unnecessary, unwanted or the weeds. Fine, because if we are not going to remove it, then our main plant will not become healthy. Okay, now the small sapling has grown up. Okay, now let's start growing plants. I am so happy to see that the crops of onion, they are tall enough to reach my knee. Okay, till knee. The onion plants grow till knee. Now the children question arises, when to harvest onion plant, potato, underground plants? Because usually if we grow tomato, what happens? The tomato vegetable, the fruit, we can see. And if we can see that the tomato has become yellow, we can take out the tomato. Fine. But what about onion and potato? They are growing under the ground. So how we will come to know? For that, the plants, yes, upper side, the plants are there. If the leaves become dry, if the leaves started becoming dry, that means the fruit under the soil has become fully developed. Okay, so that's it. If the leaves start drying, that is yellow in color, this shows that the onion under the soil has been prepared to harvest. Harvest means what? To cut. Okay, so let's see. The leaves have started turning yellow and drying up. As I said, they are becoming yellow, they are drying. This means that the onions are ready to harvest. Onion are ready to cut. Okay, it will be harvested. That's it. Okay, now do you know why here everyone at home will have to work to harvest the onion out? Okay, you in a farmer family, all the members they help the farmer. Okay, so everybody at the home, they are going to harvest the onion crop. In the picture you can see, it is very important that this should be done at the right time. If we are late, onion will rot. Okay, if suppose if the plant has become yellow and you say ki no, I don't want to cut right now onion plant. Okay, after some time I will do it. Then what happened? After some time the onion will get destroyed. It will get rot. Rot means that sada hua. Okay, in Hindi we call. So in English it is called rot. Okay, so at the proper time, if the harvesting are not done, the crops may get damaged. Fine. So that's it. Now and all our hard work will be wasted, and all the hard work which you have done, you have prepared the soil, you have sown the crop, you have watered them, you have took care. Okay, this all will get wasted if our plant gets destroyed. So now Raju help his father in the field. Do you help the elders in your family? Okay, now like Raju is helping his father in doing some kind of work, similarly at home also, you also are helping your mother or father in doing any kind of work. Okay, it's not like boys can do, it's not like only girls can do. No, work means what? It is related to both girls and boys. So girls and boys both should help mother in their daily activities. Ask your mother, what work can I do for today? Fine. Ask your father, what work can I do for today? At least if there is no work for father, serve him a glass of water, serve the food. Fine. These all are the simple activities which will make the bond with your parents a much stronger. Okay. Any member at your house, any member who are staying with you, help them. Come to our next page. Okay, here everyone at home is happy this time. The onions are big and of good quality. Okay, the onions are in big condition and they are of a good quality. Mother and auntie use the ilik, that is knife, like instrument. Okay, can you see in the picture? This ilik, what is it? It is like a knife, like instrument. It is something like a knife, chaku. Okay, So to cut the dry leaves from the top of the onion, it is very important to cut the dry leaves, okay, from the top of the onion plant. Leaf is sharp and you have to be careful not to cut your finger. Like your mother, when she cut the vegetable, did she give the knife to you to cut the vegetable? No, because you are a small kid, you can't handle them. Fine. For that, a lot of care is needed. So only adults can do that. Okay, father and uncle fill the sack with onion. Now sack means what? Sack means the brown color in which the rice, wheat are being kept. Yes, bora. Have you heard that? Market. Okay, now sack are being prepared with onions. Now father is going to put them in truck to sell in the big market, because usually in the village people don't sell. Fine. They go in the town. They go in the market at a big place. So that's it. And once all the packing is done, the farmer, they take the things like, that is, they take the fruits, vegetables, whatever they have grown, they take it to in a market, yes, where they give it to the seller in a huge quantity and they get money in return. So that's it for today's. From tomorrow we are going to start with the writing part.